Hello, uh, today I am at another campsite. It's very beautiful. You can see that they have a lot of campsites, and this is the place that where I'm camping, and I'm trying to braai. Let me show you. I'm not sure how far it is, but I'm trying to braai a leg, and along with that I'm making some tea. So later on I will show you that how it looks like, because it's almost like more than 3 hours I'm braaiing it. Now guys, I'm going to check that I braai it. It's a goat leg, and I use all these spices, and the marination is dry marination. I didn't use any oil, so I have to check it. I did marination with dried spices, all the normal spices. There is no oil. It looks I have to remove the foil gently. Wow. There is no oil, this is natural juices. You can see its own soup. Make sure you have to remove all the oil. Now let us see. You can see it's nicely cooked. It's cooked from all angles. You can see. And if you want a bit more dry, you can do it, but this is perfect. You can see perfectly. I can show you one piece. Cooked, nicely cooked. You can see it's cooked. It's well cooked. It's very hot. done. Now do not throw it. You can use in the rice or you can directly eat it. But it's better cook some rice with this bone.